next time, Jay, you ask Tito, can you please, Tito, slow down for me? Because what? Because Artus is? Wow! Do you see? Ang galing, oh. My 7 years old is not harassing mommy. Mommy, I need to pee, I need to pee. He's just peeing there at the back. Oh, because he got what? Can you show them?
This.
Where? What is that? Can you...
It's a pee.
Where's your peeing machine?
This.
Here, this one. It's at the, no, it's there. Oh. There. Where is the peeing machine? I cannot see. Okay. It's just there at the back of the chair. Nakaipit siya. You know, there. This is the blue one. I'll carry it for you to see. This, oh, nakaipit lang siya sa chair. Yeah. And then, pag nakakita kami ng plant, what are you doing when you see a soil? You just what? You just pour this in under the bit in the soil, right? And then alcohol it and then put it back here. Right? You're doing that?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. So it's very what? Helpful for the family in the car. Easy life, diba? Easy travel, no problem at all. You got time for many many issues in your head because the peeing is never a problem, right, Tito?
Yes.
You can live traffic, you can live in the traffic and you can work in the traffic. You can enjoy at the same time. Less worry. Oh, see, after that he's eating. Did you alcohol your hand?
Yes.
Okay. Can you help me put it back at the back of the there? It's safe. The wee-wee is very safe. What? I will send the link. Yeah, for you to buy that. I will just
Put the basket.
the link. Yeah, I'll just comment the link down
Wait,
below.
that's a shortcut. The one
I'll
that you
just-
said. Clink.
Clink.
Click the link. Clink.
Clink. It's click the link
Just
below.
clink.
For you to have an easy life. It's
By the
just
way,
very
we're-
cheap. It's cheapest for living the best of lives.
Yeah, by the way, we're here
Having
in
the best of
BGC.
life.
Just clink.
Yeah. I'll just comment the link below. Abangan. Bye, mighty monks. Live smartest. Live the best. Ayaw matapos.